Last fan tonight is a Supreme spinner. Look at the tag. I'm not sure if someone messed with this fan or not, but basically, let's see. That's supposedly power on. Nothing. That'll do high, that'll do nothing. So there's 4 positions on the knob that do nothing. Pull chain is 2 ons and 2 offs. On, off. So, and the fan's only 1 speed. So, I'll go ahead and put it on high for you. There you go. See? That's fly. There's quite a lot of air. On, no difference. On. This fan's missing the blade arm badges. They're off when I got it. Kinda cool, it's like a Hunter original-esque canopy. Actually, now that I think about the light, the pull chain could have been off, light, fan only, light and fan, and back to off. But as you can see, it doesn't like it anymore. So that's possible. That's what it could have been. As to the knob doesn't do speeds anymore, so it's probably dead. It's heading that gets the speed pretty fast, and it's got good bearings. So hopefully someone will want it. Made by Supreme 48-inch Weston Slope. These bugs are up. My God. This is the last one for tonight. Still have quite a few to test still. I'm trying to get all the miscellaneous stuff out of the way first, then I'll start testing people's stuff that they already want. Don't worry, your stuff's coming, just not right now. But this spin down stuff. There you go. Still have all that test stuff. Thanks for watching.